So how can we grow if we're not ready to make the investment to discover ourselves? But the good thing is that you being here today is an investment in yourself because you're discovering yourself right now. You come here, you're going to hear things from our amazing speakers and panelists and even the workshop sessions. So don't just come here like an ordinary event. Ask yourself, what did I learn today? How can I unlearn some things today? How can I change some things today? And I went to Google to just, what does Google say about authenticity? And something I kept sticking out was the word original. It says conforming to an original so as to reproduce essential features. Original. If the original is messed up, then how can the features be great? You are an original. If I ask you describe yourself, you say I'm strong, I'm powerful, I'm active, I'm committed, I'm dedicated. But what is your original? If things happen, if things don't go your way, will your original still stand the test of time? That is your core.